If you want to learn how to dress better, or if you just want to build a better wardrobe, I have some tips for you, starting off with basics. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it is I, your host, Baddie, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm glad to have you at another girl chat. If you're trying to build a better wardrobe or dress better, you want to invest in basics. I'm talking about just plain t-shirts like this, even though it's a cherry on top. Like, say for instance that this was just a plain pink t-shirt, no cherry. This is really cute because it has red, so I could do a lot with this. Like the red bow, I can make the red pop. I can even do some green with it. But if that wasn't there though, but you want to invest in basics. I'm talking about neutrals. I'm talking about plain basics t-shirts, plain basic bottoms. That way you'll be able to style it up or style it down. And even on your chill days, like if you just wanted to run to the grocery store or something, run errands, go to Target, you can still put it on and look good. So if you have a bunch of neutrals, like a bunch of browns, if you have a light brown, a dark brown, a nude brown, those all can go together. Let's say you have a nude brown top and you got brown leggings, and then you have a dark brown vest, and then you have some brown Uggs. You got you a little nice errand running outfit. You got you a nice little Target vlog outfit. Like, that's gonna eat every time. Basics. And you don't even have to just do brown. You can do grays, blues, and also monotone. Well, that's what I just described. If you're going to do brown, you can do a monotone color, but different shades of brown. That's gonna eat, but you're always going to have something to wear. With basics, you can wear them. With basics, it's no limit to the amount of time that you can wear them and style them. There's so many different styles that you can do. If you're looking to build a better wardrobe, a more quality wardrobe, or if you just want to learn how to dress better, basics are quality, timeless pieces. You have to make sure they're quality, but basics will always be timeless, especially if they're quality. They say you should have about 3 shirts to every 1 pair of pants, so that you can style that 1 pair of pants many different ways, because pants are less noticeable if you keep wearing them than shirts. But it depends on the pants, because if you got a pair of brown leggings and it got a specific print or design or fabric, then those may be more noticeable, but it doesn't really matter. It's all about how you style them. Investing in basics will allow you to build off of that and find your own style. So you might put your basics together different than I'll put my basics together, but the base is still the same thing. It's a basic, but like I said, there's many different ways to style basics, and starting off with basics, that's way easier to style than just hopping in and trying to style prints and trying to style fabrics and stuff like that. So definitely, if you're trying to build a better wardrobe or learn how to dress better, build your basics, okay? That's number 1. You can wear them in every season. Bottoms. If you're trying to build your wardrobe, you have to try more than just leggings. You can't wear leggings to every occasion. Leggings is not a everyday thing. I mean, they can be everyday, but I would say you just wear them on your chill days. If you're running errands, if you're doing something. But if you want to look cute, you don't want to. If you want to feel cute, leggings won't do it every time. Sometimes I feel like I want to dress up. Like if I'm steady wearing leggings, I don't wear leggings for like 4 days in a row, I feel like I'm wearing the same thing. So I just be wanting to step outside the box sometimes, which is why I said build on your basics. Basics does include leggings, but also they can include just pants, not necessarily jeans, but different type of pants. I mentioned monotone. Monochromatic outfits are really underrated, because I've seen some like on TikTok, some girls wearing monochromatic outfits, and I'm like, those colors together, it was like a burgundy, it was like a purple and a burgundy pants, a purple top and burgundy pants, and I'm like, that outfit is hitting. Like, that outfit was super cute, and she was in like her work attire. She was trying to show girls that You don't have to just dress in a white button up and black pants. And I'm like, it's super cute. I'm gonna try to find it and put it on the screen. Another thing, if you're trying to build a better wardrobe or just learn how to dress better, you want to accessorize coats, jackets, purses, shoes, jewelry. You want to try different things. For instance, if you have on a jumpsuit, you can dress that up or you can dress it down. You can add a sweater on top of it, then you can put on some Uggs. That'll be considered dressed down. Or you can add like a nice little trench coat and then you can put on some heels. That'll be considered dressing up. So on top of your basics, you want to get different jackets, different sweaters, different things to accessorize your outfit, different purses, different shoes. I feel like jackets, shoes, and purses can really take an outfit next level. Jewelry too, but I don't think jewelry is a necessity to make an outfit pop. Now jewelry can add pop onto the outfit, but if you have something simple like a basic white tee and some jeans like this, and then you add like a trench coat, the trench coat is going to put the outfit over the bar. It's going to break the scale, okay? And also the shoes, I feel like, can do that too. But definitely jackets, like accessorizing with different type of sweaters, different type of jackets. Lastly, if you want to build a better wardrobe or learn how to dress better, start off small but make it a priority. So every month, if you have a little extra money, not even if you have a little extra money, make sure you have extra money to put towards a few tops, or to put towards a top and a bottom, or to put towards some shoes. Make sure that you're making it a priority to build your wardrobe, and make sure you're getting quality pieces that can be worn multiple times and multiple different ways. That is all I have for you in this video. Comment a cherry down below to let me know you watched this whole video. And if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to drop them in the comments as well. And until next time, bye.